How to download Remini on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking to use Remini on your Android device, then first of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you are also connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search icon at the bottom center and in the search bar type in Remini and search. Look for the Remini AI Photo Enhancer application in this search result and then tap on the install button. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once it is done, tap on the open button to launch open the Remini app. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Remini application on your Android phone or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.